dear art lovers! Today, we'll draw, color, and explore some fascinating facts about bears' strong, gentle creatures that are truly adorable. At the end of the video, there's a little challenge for you. Can you spot the different bear? Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's sketch some smooth and gentle lines for the mother and baby bear. Bears are powerful animals, yet they are calm and kind. They can be found all over the world, deep in the forests, high up in the mountains, and even in the cold, icy lands. No matter where they live, bears are known for their round bodies, thick, warm fur, and their super sensitive noses for finding food. There are 8 species of bears around the world: brown bears, black bears, polar bears, giant pandas, and others. Each species has its own charm. Pandas love eating bamboo, while polar bears live entirely on ice and are excellent swimmers. Bears are omnivores, which means they eat a wide variety of foods, fish, honey, fruits, and insects. And of course, they absolutely love honey. Maybe because it's as sweet as their gentle nature. Great! Our sketch is looking wonderful. Now, let's start coloring the 2 bears together. You can begin with a soft cobalt blue or choose your own creative color palette. Then, use a warm, light yellow for the body to make it feel cozy and natural. During the cold winter months, many bears hibernate in their dens. They curl up and sleep for several months, their bodies slowing down, surviving without food until spring arrives. When the weather warms up, the mother bear wakes and gently nudges her cubs awake. The little bears are playful and curious. They run around, explore the forest, climb trees, and learn to find food. The mother bear always watches over them, gentle but strong, ready to protect her cubs from any danger. The bond between a mother bear and her cubs reminds us of the warmth of motherhood, simple yet full of love. touch of soft orange to the shadowed areas to give our painting more depth. In many cultures, bears symbolize strength, courage, and patience. For artists and nature lovers, they also represent peace, kindness, and connection with the wild. Unfortunately, many bear species today are losing their natural habitats. People are working hard to protect the forests and keep them as safe homes for these beautiful animals. So, remember, every bear you draw today isn't just a work of art, it's also a message of love for nature and all living creatures. Now that we've finished coloring, let's go over the outlines to make our drawing pop. Now, I'll add the final touches to complete our painting. Don't they look so lovely together, the mother bear and her little cub? And now for our little challenge. Can you spot which bear is different in this picture? If you find it, share your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to draw more animals with me, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cute Sketch so you won't miss the next one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.